Hey guys, I'm Rob Heffernan. I'm delighted to be involved in the Mazars Steps Team Challenge. Throughout the challenge, myself and Chloe Watkins will give you some top tips and motivation to help you along the way. Gareth Mullins will bring you some delicious recipes to keep you fueled over the 4-week challenge. The challenge begins on the 16th of January and runs to the 12th of February. Using our app that connects you to your smartphone or smartwatch, you and your 3 team members will complete a virtual route around Ireland while doing your real steps throughout your day. The app records your steps and notifies you when you hit milestones along the virtual route. There are also some great prizes to keep you motivated, and you can also check the leaderboard to see how everyone else is doing. Everyone that completes the challenge will be entered into a draw to win some amazing prizes. Top prize being a stay in the 5-star Marker Hotel with dinner in the award-winning Brasserie restaurant cooked by Gareth. Mazars are delighted to bring you this challenge and to motivate you and your teammates to kickstart 2023. Best of luck with the challenge.